Alright, here's the interior wiring. Now I've tacked down the signal wires. The yellow wire is the left turn signal. The black wire is negative ground. Red wires are positive. And the joints are soldered with heat shrink tubing. And I've gone up here. There's the LED blinker module, the SA 12 volt connector for. Oh, I'm sorry. The battery's over there. I'm testing the signals on the other bike. So that's where the battery is. The battery. That's why. So the previous video there was a battery here. So these the red wires are positive. And this is where there were so many wires, I used an NM type connector. If you're an electrician, you know what that one is. But it has two. These are tacked down with little brads, little steel nails. And after I tack them down, I go over with the hot melt glue gun, and I glue them down. Glued the staples down and removed the steel nails, which I stuck them to a magnet to get rid of them. They're terrible. They were everywhere.